Hey guys, ready for some easy-peasy theory? Today's concept is everyday. Now, is that a literary theory? Yes, Everyday by Henri Lefebvre. Henri Lefebvre's concept of everyday life refers to the routine and mundane activities that constitute our daily experiences. Whatever happens in our life every day, starting from work, the work that we do, also leisure, the leisure activities that we do, even you won't believe this, personal hygiene, family obligations, and social interactions. Even if you go for a party or attend a marriage, well, that can also be literary theory. You can write a paper on it. All these aspects of our daily life, Lefebvre believed, is the central aspect of human existence. This everyday life is very important. It is the central aspect of human existence. He believed that it should be studied and analyzed so that we can understand the complex relationships between individuals, society, and culture. So we should study everyday life. That is what Henri Lefebvre believed. He argued that everyday life is not static. Everyday life is constantly evolving, changing. Our individual activities are always changing because we are continuously interacting with the environment and adapting to new circumstances. Therefore, studying everyday life is important because it can provide valuable insights into the larger social, political, economic structures in which we live. That is why everyday life has become a theory and you can write a paper on it. So I hope you enjoyed this discussion. Thank you very much, guys. I'll be back with more. Don't forget to like the video and also to subscribe to our channel. Bye. Thank you.